Okay, wow, you guys are doing amazing. So let me go ahead and add a few examples from U.9, from the iXL. I'm learning that a lot of you like to get those done ahead of time. So here's a couple examples. This one, notice it's asking you for the angle SRT. So you start here, that's SRT. The angle that's formed is right here. Because it touches the side of a circle, that's an inscribed angle. What that means is the measure of this angle will be 1/2 the measure of arc ST. Okay, 1/2 of this intercepted arc. So if we can figure out the arc measure, then we can figure out SRT. Well, what do we know? We know that the central angle here, the angle coming from the central angle is 86. And you know that a central angle equals its intercepted arc. Do you see what I mean by that? From there and there, it intercepts the circle there. And so this is 86 because the measure of a central angle equals the measure of the intercepted arc. And now we go back to the inscribed angle here. The measure of angle SRT will be 1/2 of the intercepted arc. And so the measure of SRT is 43 degrees. Okay? Nice job. All right, let's look at one more. All right, so now you see something like this. You're like, whoa, rocket ship. Okay, or arrow. I don't know what you think. All right, but let's look at the central angle first. Okay, so the central angle is here. So if that central angle is 5x minus 84 degrees, then the intercepted arc from here to here is 5x minus 84 degrees. Okay, and remember what we're looking for is EGF. That's this one. That is the inscribed angle. And the measure of the inscribed angle is 1/2 of the intercepted arc. What that means is 3x minus 58 equals 1/2 of the intercepted arc, 5x minus 84. Okay, the inscribed angle is 1/2 of the intercepted arc. And so this is just an algebra problem. We have to distribute the 1/2 in, or better yet, I can multiply both sides by 2. I'm going to squeeze it in here. If I multiply by 2, it clears the fraction. So I'm going to multiply this side by 2. And some of you may think that seems unnecessary, but when I saw this 5 here, I didn't want to try to use a decimal there. So anyway, I'm going to multiply by 2 by both sides, and I'm going to get 6x minus 116, 2 times 58, equals 5x minus 84. Okay? I'm going to bring my x's to this side, so I'm going to subtract 5x from both sides, and I'm going to kind of do it in one step, and I'm going to add 116 to both sides. I don't know if you can hear my dog barking, but not my dog, my daughter's. Okay, and so here I get x, that's gone, and 116. I'm just going to verify that on the calculator. It's late in the day, I don't want to make a mistake, equals 32. So x equals 32. But here, it's asking for EGF. That's this angle here. So I need to take 32 and plug it in. 3 times 32 minus 58. All right, 3 times 32 minus 58. And we get 38 degrees. There you go. All right, great job.